Have you ever wondered what makes Nigerian groundnut soup so unique and delicious? Well, today I'm going to be sharing the secret ingredient to having a delicious pot of groundnut soup in your home. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel today. Thanks for always tuning in to my channel, my amazing subscribers. To my new viewers, please subscribe to this channel, click on the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. To create this authentic mouth-watering Nigerian delicacy called groundnut soup, we'll start by adding all our salted meat in a pot, then add pepper and onion mix, some salt seasoning cube, mix very well and cover this to simmer for about 5 minutes. So it's about 5 minutes then. I'll be adding my smoked fish, some palm oil, stir and cover this to cook for another 2 minutes again. In a pan, I'll be roasting these two ingredients called oziza seed and ehoro seeds. They play a crucial role in creating the unique taste and flavor that defines the Nigerian groundnut soup. So after roasting these seeds, I'll blend them with crayfish and set them aside. It's 2 minutes already and it's time to check on our meat on fire. The meat is soft and it's time to add my peanuts, which is the blended groundnut. I'll add this bit by bit and stir. I'll keep stirring and make sure I mix this properly. Then I'll add in the blended seeds and crayfish. So after adding the crayfish, I'll mix very well and cover the pot so this will simmer for a few minutes. Don't forget to cover your pot and always cook at low heat. Trust me when I say at this point the aroma in your kitchen will be so delectable. It's time to add our washed bitter leaf, stir properly and cover again for it to steam for a few minutes. When you're cooking, always remember to stir your soup from time to time. This will prevent it from burning. And as you can see, our soup is 80% ready. I'll stir for the last time, then I'll cover this to steam and cover the soup to cook for another 2 minutes and your soup will be ready. When you see the oil floating at the top of the pot. Just like this, and you can enjoy the soup with any swallow of your choice. Always subscribe to this channel, click on the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I love you all so much. Please comment and share these videos with your loved ones. I love you. Mwah. Thank you for watching.